When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home on the market? In our area, it is customary for the buyer to pay for the inspections, but when would it be advantageous for a seller to do so prior to going active? We don't always recommend this, but there are a few examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing is helpful. It can end up saving you time and money, and who couldn't use a little more of both right now? I'm just saying. Hey guys, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty. As a seller, you want to be aware of the condition of your property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you weren't aware of. We've seen termite inspections well over $50,000. Imagine this, you get a termite bill for 50 grand, and the only way the buyer will proceed is if it's fixed or credited during closing time. But you have already purchased another home and you need that $50,000 to qualify. Yikes, this would create a huge problem. What about this? Let's say you found out the home you're selling needed a new roof or air conditioning unit to be replaced. You could do a few things. A, sell the home as is and disclose the issues. B, not sell at all. Or C, take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we recommend are standard, customary inspections that a buyer would do. We recommend a home inspection, a roof inspection, and a termite inspection. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these upfront or when escrow closes. In regards to the home and termite inspection, it's helpful but not mandatory to make sure all the health and safety items are fixed, as well as all the Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites, as these are very common requests that buyers have. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is that they thought when they were going into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable or outlandish repairs. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and need every penny of their sale to secure and close on their new purchase. More than that, the buyer is that much more confident that they are buying a sound home that is in move-in ready condition. Also, if there is bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety as well as Section 1 termite work to be completed prior to closing escrow. So with that already being completed, there's further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, sellers, buyers, and lenders have much more confidence throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close and in a timely manner. It keeps everyone's sanity throughout the process and, more importantly, safe during and after the close of escrow.